Over the last couple of months, faceless quiz channels have been going extremely viral because YouTube made it easy for them as they reduced some of their monetization requirements. One of these channels started just 5 months ago and already has multiple videos with 500,000 views, and they have 4 million views in total just by uploading these simple videos that you can make for free. In fact, in the last 30 days, they've made over $5,000 according to Social Blade. The craziest part is that you can create this entire 18-minute video for free and in just minutes using 2 free AI tools that you are all familiar with. Yes, ChatGPT and the free version of Canva. So what are these videos I'm talking about? Their most viral video is one where they show 2 emojis and viewers get 10 seconds to guess the word. Combine a few of these questions with a nice introduction and you've got yourself an amazing video. To prove it to you guys, let's see one of their videos that made them the most amount of money.
Let's start with an easy one. Can you guess the word by emoji? Great start. It's sunflower. Back to guessing. This is a very famous superhero. Iron Man. You're awesome.
Now that you have your proof, let's start the tutorial, and to achieve the best results, please follow the steps accordingly. First things first, let's head over to ChatGPT and just paste in this prompt. I have already put the prompt in the description of this video, so you can just copy and paste it. The prompt goes like this. Give me a list of 20 well-known compound words like hot dog and Iron Man. After each compound word, include 2 emojis that best describe each part of the word. For example, for hot dog, use a hot emoji and a dog emoji. Ensure that the emojis accurately represent both parts of the compound word. Then click on Generate. Now here is the list of 20 words that ChatGPT produced, and I will take the first 2 to show you guys as an example. So let's go to the final step. Our last step is to go to Canva and sign up if you are new. Don't worry, we won't use any paid elements for today. So just choose this horizontal video layout, and it will take you to this dashboard. Now click on the Elements tab, and then search for Spiral Backgrounds. As you can see, most of them are pro, and you can use them if you are a Canva Pro user. But if you don't want to pay, just click on this button here and then choose this free option. Now, all the results are free, and you can pick any. I chose this green background and then aligned it with my video layout. My video is now 19 seconds long, but you can make it longer or shorter by using this button here, the playback button. You just slow it down to make the video longer or speed it up if you want to make it short. Next, just search for bar, and then choose a nice one, like I found this yellow one beautiful. So just place it well on top where we will place the text. Now just go to text and then add the text. We just type in, guess the word, and then we can also change the font, so make sure you pick a good one. Then we can highlight the last word to make it more engaging. I just make it red and we move on. Now just search for the plus button and add it here. Resize it and place it well in the middle. And finally, we can add our first 2 emojis. I just search for a hot emoji and then place it as the first image. Make sure you place it well. Now just search for dog again and place it as the second image or emoji. It looks nice, but let's make it more engaging by adding animations. So just click on one of the images and then choose Animate, scroll down, and then select the pulse animation. This is how it looks, so apply it to both images and let's see how it appears. That looks great, but let's add the answer reveal part and complete the video. But before we add the answer reveal part, we need to add a timer to let the viewers know they have 10 seconds to give the answer. I searched for a timer on Canva, but they were all pro and needed to be paid for, so I just went to TikTok and got one for the video. I got this one from TikTok, removed its background, and resized it well. Now, we want the timer to only show for the first 10 seconds and then disappear. So just go to where it ends and displays time is up, trim it up to that point, and this is how it looks. Also, we need to adjust the images or emojis to only be visible for the first 10 seconds as well, so we can add the answer in the last 5 seconds. To do this, just click on the images and then choose show timing, then trim it to fit the 10-second duration. Do the same for the other image and the plus button too. Just make sure other elements are not visible when we get to the answer. Now, let's add the answer. Our answer is the word hot dog, so we just look for a free hot dog emoji and place it here in the center. Also, adjust its timing as it should appear in the last 5 seconds only, so just trim it using the timing option. Now let's add the text hot dog and place it down just below the image. Only the first one is hard, because if we need to make another one, we just click on duplicate and then replace the emojis in the answer part. This makes our video making faster, allowing you to make up to 10 such questions in just minutes. Remember, you can add sound effects or even a voiceover to make it more engaging.